Hello everyone and welcome back to Mastermind e-learning. In the previous video, we just saw how to find squares of numbers that end with 1. And in today's video, we are going to see how to find squares of numbers that end with 5. Again, we are not going to do any multiplication and we will arrive at our answer within a few seconds. If you are watching this channel for the first time, I would suggest you subscribe to this channel, press the bell icon so that you do not miss out any single update. So let's get started. Find the square of 25. Now how do we find the square of this number? Now we have this number 25. Our answer would be divided into two parts. For the right part, we just have to write 25. Because 5 square is 25. And for the left hand side part, what do? We multiply this 2 with its consecutive number, that is the next digit. So after 2 we get 3, so we multiply 2 by 3, that is 2 3s are 6. Now we combine the left side and right side and our answer is 625. Let's see one more example. Find the square of 45. So we'll divide our answer into two parts. For the right side, we'll write down 25 because 5 5s are 25. For the left side, we multiply this 4 with the next digit that comes after 4. So the next digit that comes after 4 is 5. So we multiply 4 5s are 20 and combine the left side and right side. So our answer is 2025. Let's see one more question. Find the square of 75. So again, we'll have two parts here, left side and right side. For the right side, we write down 25. And for the left side, we multiply it with the next digit, that is 8. After 7 comes 8. So we multiply 7 by 8. 7 8s is 56. Combine both these left side and right side to get our answer, that is 5625. Now let's see a 3-digit number, that is 115, and we'll see whether we can find the square of this 3-digit number using the same method. Okay, now we just divide our answer into two parts. Right side will be 25 as usual. For the left side, we just look at the number written before 5. The number before 5 here is 11. So we multiply 11 with the next number, that is 12. Now 11 into 12 is 132. Combine the left hand side and right hand side. So our answer is 13,225. Isn't that simple? Let's see one more 3-digit number. The number is 205. I need to find the square of this number. So our answer is divided into two parts. The right part would be 25 as usual. And for the left side answer, we multiply this 20 by the next number, that is 21. 20 multiplied by 21 is 420. Combine both the answers. So our answer is 42,025. So in this manner, you can find the square of any number that ends with 5 just within a few seconds. So keep watching Mastermind e-learning for more such videos. In the next video, we are going to come up with some methods where we'll be able to multiply large numbers within a few seconds. So stay tuned to this channel. Bye for now.